Mau nyanyi apa hari ini?
Friends dari Anne Marie.
Wow, ini saya itu favorit saya lagunya. Jadi kamu harus nyanyinya yang baik dan betul ya.
Insya Allah.
Insya Allah.
Aduh, udah pada iki deh.
Boleh mau diiringin atau saya nemenin di situ? Terserah. Ini boleh dong. Kan penawaran. Enggak. Silakan.
Iya.
Ini enak banget lagu.
You say you love me, I say you're crazy. We're nothing more than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were lifetime. Yeah, don't mess it up, talking that shh. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that makes me crazy. Here we go again. Don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can be reasoned with, I'm done being polite. I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S.